Okay, today we are going to look at a few different equivalent ratio problems, the way that they are written in Get More Math, because it's a little bit different from what we've been doing with tape diagrams in our math book. So on this first one, I'm going to use a table instead of a tape diagram to solve the problem. So I'm going to make my table. And in this example, I have destroyers and battleships, and then it asks me how many total boats are there all together. So I'm going to put all three of those pieces of information in my table. I'm going to have destroyers to battleships to total boats. And if I look at the ratio it gives me 15 destroyers to 25 battleships. And I can use that information to find the total of 40. Then I have the other information that I have is that there are 45 destroyers. So I'm going to put 45 here. Now I have two choices. I can see, does 15 go into 45 evenly? Can I take 15 times something and get 45? And I can. I can do 15 times 3 to get 45. So in this example, I can just do 15 times 3 equals 45. So 40 times 3 equals 120. Sometimes that won't work. You won't be able to multiply directly across from your first ratio to your final answer. So sometimes what we'll need to do is simplify the 15, the 25, the 40. These are all divisible by 5. So I could do 15 divided by 5 is 3. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 40 divided by 5 is 8. Then I can find out, how do I go from 3 to 45? In this case, I would multiply by 15. So I would do 8 times 15 to get 120. Both methods are going to get the same answer. It's just a matter of which numbers work and which numbers are easier for me to multiply and divide by to find the answer. In either case, my final answer is 120 boats. In the second example, the ratio of donuts to muffins at the restaurant is 6 to 24. If there are 48 muffins, how many donuts are there? Again, I'm just going to set this up kind of in table format with equivalent ratios. How do I go from 24 to 48? I multiply by 2. So I'm going to multiply 6 by 2, and that gives me 12 donuts. And the third example, the ratio, I'm going to draw my table again because I like the way it makes everything look a little bit neater when I put it in a table. So I have cows to pigs, and I have total animals. So the ratio of cows is 14 to 7 pigs. And then I need to find what is the total for this ratio. 14 plus 7 is 21. And then it says if the total number of animals is 63, how many pigs are there? So how do I go from 21 to 63? 63 divided by 21 is 3. So I would need to multiply 21 by 3 to get 63. So to find the number of pigs, I also need to multiply by 3. 7 times 3 is 21 pigs.